So I made so I've had the apple extruder disc for a couple of years now. I have most of the fruits, but they were only in 18, 23, or 24 millimeter. So I decided to start making some of them, like I'm gonna get through all of them, but I just slowly, I'm getting to it. Making the 57 milliliter, so large ones. And I've done the peach and the pineapple, and now I have the apples. So they're more than an inch wide, which means I couldn't get one evenly spaced per bar, which is why I kind of just did them in this diagonal pattern. So when you cut them, all of them will have some of the apple in some way, shape, or form on it. So I think that works. The inside was a simple drop hanger swirl, and I did a white base and then added light green and dark green. And then you have the red apple embed. Doesn't that stand out nicely? Like, I'm really happy with that. It's, oh, look at that. Scented in Under the Apple Tree from Nature's Garden. I think it's Under the Apple Tree, which is a fun, fresh apple scent. Like, just reminds me of apple picking in the orchards and taking an apple and eating it while you pick. That tart, juicy, sweet apple. So I love apple scents. I know apple scents aren't as popular as some of the others. So again, I've only made small batches of all of these, so I think they'll go pretty fast. There won't be too many of any one scent. But I adore, and look, you got your apples on top. Apple scented stuff. Just, I love the apple scent. So one of these bars will be mine. I will be saving one. But yeah, there you have it. I just cut 3 batches. I have no idea what order any of them are going to air in. 3 soaps down. I think 7 or 8 more to go. I'm a bit behind with making the fall soap. So next week is going to be very busy.